Okay, so you think it's 17.
We'll just stack them up.
Okay. 215 plates. I got 30.
34. We're calling that 30. 34, that's 68. 60 and 66 is 126, 186, 194, and 54 is 248. Plus 215 is 463. Plus that plate is another. So you got 480. Oh, bar's only 25.
Yes, yeah, I remember that one.
Oh, that's only 25. Okay, 480 plus the bar, so we're over 500. We got a full 500 pounds. I was going.
It's pretty cool at the end of the MIG gun. You'll get like little rings like this of just slag or whatever build up. They just kind of pop out really easily.
What's in this box?
What's my box? Oh, that's the box of my loader can. It's got all my TIG stuff. See that little bottle, the smallest bottle, the shortest one? 55 right now. Okay, up to 90.
So almost 40. Or is it too
oh,
small?
Yeah. It seems to be
On versus free. Hey,
yeah.
That's an $80 plate right there.
That's an $80 plate. And it looks a lot cooler.
You can't tell it's homemade though.
No, I mean
totally professional.
Yeah, this is pretty professional, I must say. I think we should take. I don't know. I think more. That comment section is gonna be full of
how impressive that just
yeah.
over 105 pounds is. You're not going to get gains until you start practicing. So you guys. I'll bet you, like if you had the Olympians though, they'd be complaining about something. They'd be bitching about it. Say, no, I'm not. I can't possibly. If you had that Brian
Shaw.
Yeah, in here, he'd be bitching. He'd be making fun of you like he was at the 24. What's the place called?
I can't imagine. I Planet Fitness.
Planet Fitness, yeah.
I can't imagine if Brian Shaw saw this, he would.
That's probably not going anywhere anyway. So.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so how much is the bar number? Each plate's
it's about 105, and so it should be about over 140 now.
Yeah, that sounds probably about all the weight I even need. We could do some.
We gotta do little mini plates though. You can get your 5 pounds, and
we need to do the railroad so I put that.
Pop them on there. This is gonna put you. This is over 150 now.
Okay, I don't know, Dad. This might be.
You might need a spotter.
Maybe.
Take it out.
Yep. All right.
This is only day one.
Yeah, this is only this. I don't know, Dad. How much bench pressing you think I have to do a day to see any type of gains?
Oh, I don't know. Okay, well, when we make more plates, you can get your max up even higher. So
I don't think I can do much more than that right now.
Okay, so we're good.
It's really only 150, I think.
I told
Build it though, at least I built There's so many of those just phony fakers out there that don't even, they're just buying their own.
$2 a pound. You spent $15. That's a $300 value.
It all up. There is 23 feet of square tubing here, and I only used 24 feet. So I mean, I'm telling you, I didn't waste like any. I was pretty impressed by it. Like, I don't even know how I did it. I don't understand how I did in 2 sticks. But I know I still have 12 feet. And I only had 24 feet.
The bar was only 5.5 feet long and needed a little bit of an extension. You work with what you got.